Hey, hope everybody's doing well, staying positive, staying focused. We got a returning guest today, one of my faves. But before we get into that, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Y'all know what to do. Holla at your boy, leave a comment. Yeah, I mean. Alright, so the A1. This thing came out in 2021, and I'm just now getting issues with it. That's a good thing, I guess, other than the whole firmware brigade. This one in particular came from a filmmaker, producer, Hindi Street. Shout out to Hindi Street. They're really easy to work with and do a lot of cool stuff. But they're having an issue with their HDMI port. They're saying it is loose, doesn't really have connection. I am using a monitor, as y'all can't see, for this video, and I am going to unplug from there, give me some slack so y'all are able to see. Now you won't be able to see the monitor, but you should be able to see if it is wiggly. Oh Lord. Now y'all see this, all this right here, and no signal, as you can't see, but we are jiggulating. That is not good. That honestly, that's just from tension being on the port, and probably has this set up through a cage, all this stuff. You can also test that. You can just see the whole housing. Hopefully I can get you a good angle. You can see the whole housing being pulled out. So, thanks, Billy. Alright, so it went on Encompass. Got me an HDMI port from Encompass, A50267223A. Not too shabby. Got the stuff, man. I got the stuff, man. This is some good stuff right here, man. But as you can see, it's actually soldered really well. But something has gotten loose, disconnected, something. But we're gonna figure it out. Alright, let's just go ahead and dive into this. But before we dive into this, buy my tools. Got your cross point screwdrivers, 2.0, 2.5. Got your curved straight, got your curved tweezers, got your straight tweezers. Got them all for sale. Hit that link right there, check it out. I'm fired. Alright, this should be quick, fast, in a hurry. Make sure you have no SD cards and no batteries inside of the unit. Alrighty, yep. I'm gonna keep you there for reference of the frame. Gonna keep you over here. Now, we shouldn't be having to pull off too much, but we're gonna go ahead and get started right up in here. Really contemplating on going live, y'all. I just, for some reason, I want to go live. I want to repair while live. I think that'd be a little crazy. Maybe go live during a free sensor cleaning event. Get them two right yonder. They can go a little closer right there. Oh man. Uh-oh, I bet you got something right there. Oh, in the multi-port. I honestly love the A1 build. Man, it's pretty cool. I need to get my hands on an A1 too. We know Sony won't give me one to take apart. That is for sure. Pretty sure Sony does not like me. A lot of people don't. Egoop. So you can see, that's interesting. What if it's just unplugged? That'd be crazy. I'm just gonna take this bottom row out instead of taking them all off and see if the back panel will come off. Pretty sure 8K, baby. Yeah, you know what? My client specifically asked for 8K. 8K 60. I need 14-bit 8K 60 frames a second and nothing less. Do you understand, Billy? Then I'll downsize it to 1080. Because I want that vintage look. Alright, I'm fired. Let's get... Stay focused, handsome. Oh, man. Gonna get you right here. Yep. Yep. I want to know something funny. This is the type of stuff that goes through my head while I'm repairing. So, yeah, I'm a little different. Just a little bit. A little bit. Alright. Let's see here. We're going to take you off. We're not going that far. Here. That cover is going to have to come off. What's that? Keep you here now. You dirty dog. You gonna make me take that off too? Why you gotta act like that? Hey! Oh, I hate this thing right here. If I can avoid taking that off, I will. I don't know, but we're just gonna swap it out. So, you gotta bend here and a bend here. Alright, boom. Shaka laka, shaka laka. Fired. You back. Black on bottom. It's not a joke. Now that port could be bad on the main board. That's worst case scenario. If this does not work, then before we go any further, Billy, Sharpie, go home, Billy, go home. Okay, honestly and truthfully, I don't want to test it out without, that ain't right. Are we good? Okay, let's put this guy back in. Does that even need to come? Yeah, it does. Alright, you're in. Let's make sure everybody is. Yeah, I feel like there's impact right there. I'll have to ask them. Okay, let's get a couple of these screws in. Especially by the HDMI port itself. I think those two are okay. And I think it's gonna work. Let's put you in there, little guy. We gotta take out for the monitor. If I get a lens, I'll be able to show y'all it's working. I should have did this in the beginning. Super fired. It's okay. Been fired before. Need battery. Alright. Make sure we still turn on. Oh my gosh, y'all could probably see my face. We don't need that. Goes this way. Still no signal. Whoa, there we go. Boom. Y'all can see the screen, right? Maybe we are working. Still loose, though. I don't like how loose that is. Looks like there is damage to the flex right there. So I did see some damage right there. So that is loose. Let's take this back apart. And maybe it's that bracket. Let's look at that bracket. See how loose that is, like that? We want to tighten. Do we still have screws in here, bro? No. We're being scared. Pop her off. Got an idea. This is from old film days. But I think you need to put more pressure. I want tension pushing down on this. So boom. Low key. Low key? No, I'm just low key. I think I done did it, y'all. Let's put this screw. See if I have another HDMI somewhere easy. Hey, here we go. Full-size HDMI. Let's see how wiggly it is. Alright, I'm confident with that. That bracket was bent because of the impact that hit here. So, let's go ahead and finish her up. I am curious to see how the A1 II is built. That'd be cool if they made all the ports, all the main ports like this, instead of on the board, but pretty sure there's a good reason. Maybe one day I'll get to go to the Sony factory in Japan. Yeah, right. Man, it'd be cool to go to the Canon factory, low-key. Always wanted to work for Canon. Repair or the R&D. Oh, that diopter. This definitely took a spill. I don't think that'll work. Maybe it will. Alright, that is the HDMI port replacement of a Sony A1. I enjoyed our time together. I really did. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe, leave a comment. Shoot your boy a super thanks. I need a new mat. And y'all know the drill. Until next time, don't break nothing. Peace!
I'm no joke, you know, I'm no